Ready? Start. My compliments to News 18 and Harpik for observing today as Jal Pratigya Divas. I am happy to know that school students across the country will be administered a pledge on the need to conserve water. I also convey my appreciation to music wizard A.R. Rahman for composing the Pani anthem and to Prasoon Joshi for penning its lyrics. Recently, I had called for launching a Jal Andolan for water conservation, and I feel that this mission Pani is a step in the right direction. I am glad that the Government of India has taken several measures, including the creation of Jal Shakti Ministry, to give an impetus to integrated management of water resources, promote water conservation, recharge, reuse, and ensure water security. The Namami Gange program, प्रधानमंत्री कृषि सिंचाई योजना, अटल भूजल योजना, जल जीवन मिशन and जल शक्ति abhiyan are laudable initiatives. Water is essential for sustenance of life on earth, and the precious natural resource has to be conserved for sustainable development. There is a need for undertaking an aggressive nationwide campaign on the crucial importance of water conservation. It should be noted that only 3% of the water available on earth constitutes fresh water, and only 0.5% of that is available for drinking. India has more than 18% of the world's population but has only 4% of the world's renewable water resources. According to the UN, around 2.2 billion people currently do not have access to safely managed drinking water, and 4.2 billion or 55% of the world's population are without safely managed sanitation. Water crisis affects us in many adverse ways, and women and children are the worst affected by it. According to a UN report, women spend over 200 million hours every day to fetch water from distant places, sharing the burden with their mothers. Globally, children spend 200 million hours each day for collecting water. The time that the children spend hauling water could have been spent at school learning new things. Apart from the water scarcity, children also become victims of hygienic water and poor sanitation. Around 1,300 children are dying each day because of diarrhea. It is projected that by 225, half of the world's population will be living in water-stressed areas. This kind of situation should not be allowed to continue. We will be jeopardizing our own future and that of the future generations unless every citizen becomes a water warrior in saving every drop of water. We have examples where the collective efforts of the community averted disasters. Recently in Barabanki, Uttar Pradesh, local people came together to rejuvenate a 2.6-kilometer stretch of the river Kalyani. It was reported that the condition had become so bad that it was difficult to determine the actual course of the river. Not too long ago in 2018, Cape Town in South Africa faced a major water crisis and was about to reach day zero when the Cape Town's municipal water supply would have been shut off. But in the moment of this major crisis, the citizens of Cape Town came together and reduced their water usage to bare minimum and successfully pushed the day zero indefinitely.